Our chief guest, Mr. Zafar Iqbal, is a luminous star in the galaxy of Indian sports and the brightest one in the firmament of our national game. Today we feel honored to have Mr. Zafar Iqbal as the chief guest of our function. He captained the Indian squad on numerous occasions and was the captain of the Indian team when India won the last gold medal in hockey at Olympics in 1980. Mr. Iqbal received the highest award in sports, the Arjuna Award in 1983 and Padma Shri Award in 2012. We are also fortunate to have with us this evening Mr. Prakash. He has been the university topper and gold medalist in the 1994 IPS batch. He did his MA and MPhil in public administration and masters in police management. He served in the United Nations in Yugoslavia. He has held the post of PhD in several important cities of UP. His efficiency and proficiency won him respect, and now since a few months, he is holding the post of Inspector General of Police, Aligarh Range, UP. Mr. Rajiv Rotela, our district magistrate, is unable to come because of the sudden urgent meeting convened at Lucknow by the Chief Minister. I stand here to brief you about the achievements of Our Lady of Fatima Secondary School, which has excelled in the field of academics, sports, games and co-curricular activities. For our students, sports and games are natural energizers, which also help to keep them focused on academic excellence. In 2013, the AMU district swimming competition, our students were masters in freestyle, backstroke and breaststroke. Devanshi Sharma of class 10 won the overall runners-up trophy and was declared as the champion. Rehan Qasim of class 3 stood first in freestyle, backstroke and breaststroke and won the overall winner trophy in the championship. Aligarh District Football Association organized under 18 football tournament in 2013, which was held in Aligarh Stadium. In that tournament, our school won the district championship. In September 2013, our school won the Rajiv Gandhi Running Trophy for the Inter-School Table Tennis Tournament organized by the Rotary Club of Aligarh and also captured the overall championship. In the under 12 years group, Arjuna class 5 and Rhythm Sharma of class 5 were the winners and Yashasha Sharma of class 3 was the runner-up. Under 15 years sub-junior boys, Arjuna class 5 was the winner. Under 16 years sub-junior girls, Nikita of class 10 was the winner. The CBSE also organized inter-school sports and games competitions. From OLF, both boys and girls team participated in the Cluster 3 East Zone basketball matches and boys team reached till quarter-finals.
Solo dance, Avni Agrawal of class 4 got the first prize. In quiz, Koina Mishra and Kinsa Mariam Khan of class 6 got the first prize. For debate, Jasno Gurdik of class 6 got the first prize, Rachel Badan of class positions. And in all the second category, we won the meeting in the 33rd North Zone Shooting Championship in Trap Junior Women category held at New Delhi from 23rd to 25th November by the National Rifle Association of India. Aiba Khan won the silver medal. The Indian Institute of Technology Delhi conducted the National Creativity Olympiad and 10 of our students qualified for the second round, which will be held at IIT Delhi on 8th December 2013.
In the school, starting from the principal, the staff and the students for the splendid, the breathtaking performance put up before us today evening. All of us are happy to be here. Many of us will be surprised to know that this school, Our Lady of Fatima, which is run by the Franciscan Sisters of St. Mary of Angel, started in a rented building in front of Abdullah College. It was a small building, a small school. It was started in the year 1961, and then it moved to a bigger building. In 1966, the land was bought here in Ramghat Road. In the history of this school, Sister Stanislas is remembered very much for her contribution. She has worked hard to get the school affiliated to CBSE. I also thank and congratulate all the sisters who are here with us today, who have contributed in the upbringing and development of this school. We are also proud to know that this school runs an evening shift for less privileged children. Many of the schools may not do this, but I am happy and proud that this school has shown the way to all of us. They are running a school for less privileged children up to the class 5th, which is totally free. Parents with a happy smile, seeing the children performing in the ground. We are proud to have यहाँ तमाम अभिभावकगण मौजूद है। पत्रकार बंधु और मीडिया के प्रतिनिधि यहाँ पर है। मैं आप सभी को बधाई देता हूँ, धन्यवाद देता हूँ। आपने इस मुद्दा को उठाया। सभी यहाँ पे अभिभावक मौजूद है। आप सभी को मैं आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूँ, पुलिस और प्रशासन आपकी हमारी सभी की बच्चों की सुरक्षा के संबंध में सतर्क है, संवेदनशील है, हम लोग कटिबद्ध हैं। मीडिया के सभी मेरे साथीगण से मैं अनुरोध करता हूं, आप जब पब्लिश करते हैं, जब मीडिया या अखबार या किसी में छापते हैं, कृपया करके सही चीज को छापिएगा, क्योंकि ये ऐसे वक्त है, अफवाह और सही घटना इसके बीच की जो दूरी है ये बहुत कम है। आप सभी जानते हैं, इट इज अ ग्रेट एंड इट्स अ पीरियड, इट्स अ फेज which is very unclear. How will you differentiate, sift the real incidents from rumor? I have requested the media, I have interacted with them, I have interacted with most of the principals of reputed schools in this city. I have requested the principals to take a few certain measures to ensure safety of the children in and around the campus. Inside the campus,
of the function is that we were really delighted by the performance of every children and every event of this program. Parent congratulations to all those who were engaged for the successful of the program. There is no doubt about it. We really enjoyed. Today is a very sunny day, and the fact is that we have many parents who have come all the way from different parts of the city, who have come to just support their children to perform better. I think we have also press people, the faculty members, of course we know, including Madam Archana. A very good evening to all of you.